I am excited about our Python lecture. I tried storing a lot of data in different variables, and I can recall the data. I am happy.
Yes! Now I can imagine myself as a programmer. I can also store and get data.
But I am not happy. Why? Are you confused about something?
No, that's not it.
Then?
Her storage must be full.
Don't be silly. I am serious.
Okay, cool. Tell me the issue, Eve.
When I try to store things like my name, address, or gender, which aren't numbers, it doesn't work. Why?
Oh, I haven't tried that before. Wait a minute.
Hello, Aadi. Why are you calling me?
Do you know how to store words or sentences in a variable?
Yes, but now you are in school. Better ask Mrs. Neera.
Who are you talking to, Aadi?
Good morning, kids.
Good morning, teacher.
Eve, are you thinking about something?
Yes, teacher. I can't figure out how to store words or sentences in a variable.
Oh, little Eve, I will help you with that. When the data is not a number and not used for calculations, it is known as string data. Strings must be enclosed in quotes, like this. Let's try it. We want to store Eve as data. Our code will be
Okay. Got it. When the data is text, it must be in quotes. When the data is in quotes, it is a string or text and cannot be used for calculations. Am I right?
correct. Let's try storing some more information. To store the name of the school. And to store your blood group.
Do any single or double quotes work?
Yes, any quotes are allowed. Let's try storing and recalling data about yourself. Your name, age, height, and gender. Before we start coding, we will classify the data. Your name must be a string, age is a number, height is a number, and gender is text, so it's a string. Our code will be
Great! Thank you, teacher. I will try with more data.
Yes, we will too.
good. We will learn more about it in the next lecture. See you next time, kids. Don't forget to practice.
Hey kids, wasn't that fun? Remember, in Python, we use quotes to store words and sentences. These are called strings. Just like Aadi, Kaylin, and Eve learned today, you can store and print your own data too. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be coding like a pro. See you in the next episode of Aadi and Gogu's Python Adventures. Happy coding!